To make your garden look more like it's been designed by a landscape professional, follow the old saying, less is more. Start by decreasing the number of plants that you have in each garden bed and follow the rule of threes. Plant in odd numbers between 3 and 7 to give you just the right amount of repetition to help create a beautiful, inviting garden. When you're at the nursery, as tempting as it is to have one of everything, that planting scheme tends to look random and unnatural. Instead, by planting in irregular clusters of the same foliage, you create substance and balance through the uniformity of colour and texture. By planting in multiples, you find your eye moves around the landscape, taking in the right amount of repeated visual information to soothe and calm your brain. To create a theme, continuity, or pattern, look to repeating the planting through your garden. You won't have as much variety, but what you do have will make more of an impression. When you're thinking about which plants to add to your garden, consider their leaf size, mature height, and how they'll complement any existing plants. So a great textural combination could come from these 3 species. Say you put together Carpa brotus Aussie Rambler in a mid-sized clump. Next to that, you'd plant a grey foliage or Glaucus rhagodia, Aussie flatbush. Breaking that up would be clumps of the strappy leaf Lomandra, because their vertical leaf is an entirely different texture. Repeating that combination throughout the garden is how you're going to create a more professional look. So for balance and substance in your own backyard, increase the repetition of the number of individual plants and follow the rule of threes.